I purchased this Lionel Mighty Sound of Steam, the Milwaukee Road train set from Trains, and the set number is 1387. I purchased this Milwaukee Road passenger set from Trains with the Z some time back, and it was a complete set with box, and I was overall satisfied with it. And I knew that the whistle function did not work properly. And what I did is I tried repairing the whistle circuit board with new diodes, but it never did work properly. And so what I did is I purchased a different Lionel Sound of Steam that did not have the whistle, and I incorporated that into this tender. And to do that, the previous system used track power to power the circuit board, and it had center track pickup plus ground. And the regular Sound of Steam that does not have the whistle utilizes power from the engine. It draws power from the light, and then there's a little contact that makes the shuff when the push rod goes forward, and then that sends the power back to the tender. And so I had to change the wiring, and because the engine did not have power to send back, so I hooked it to the headlight, and I sent it back to the tender, and it works fairly well. And the speaker that was in this Milwaukee Road tender was a higher ohm speaker, and it was mounted in the plastic, and I didn't want to break anything with the tender, so I utilized that speaker that was higher ohm and tested it, and it worked out quite well. Not only was it louder, it gave a more crisp sound of steam, like a small steam engine, and I was very satisfied with that. And I'll demonstrate the difference in the sound. Thank you for watching. It was removed from a Rock Island tender that had this speaker. Using this speaker gave it better sound. If you like these videos, please subscribe and share. Thank you.